Before we dive into strategies, we need to understand the personality of the two markets we'll be trading, Bitcoin and gold. Every market has a rhythm. Some move slow and steady, others are wild and unpredictable. As swing traders, we make money by learning that rhythm and timing our trades to it. In this lesson, you'll learn how these two assets move when they're most active and how their behavior creates opportunities for us without sitting at a screen all day. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, unlike stocks or even gold. But here's the key. Most of the big, decisive moves happen when liquidity is high, which is during the overlap of London and New York trading sessions. For swing trading, Bitcoin is valuable because it tends to move in strong, clean waves, periods of steady trend, followed by healthy pullbacks. Our job will be to catch those swing points without chasing price. Now, gold, also known as XAU-USD in trading platforms, behaves differently. Gold is influenced heavily by macroeconomic news like inflation reports, interest rate announcements, and geopolitical tensions. It trades most actively during the London session and the first half of the New York session. This means if you're busy, you can simply check the charts once in the morning and again after lunch and still catch major moves. Both Bitcoin and gold have volatility cycles. Bitcoin can have explosive weekend moves, but liquidity is thinner, meaning wider spreads and more risk. Gold rarely moves much on weekends, but during economic news, it can spike hundreds of pips in minutes. Recognizing these patterns helps us avoid dead hours and focus only on the times when money is actually moving. One more advanced tip. Sometimes Bitcoin and gold move together, both rising in risk-off or inflationary conditions. Other times they move in opposite directions. As swing traders, we can use this information for confirmation. If both are trending in the same direction with strong momentum, our trades carry more probability. If they diverge, it may be a sign to wait or trade smaller. Let's summarize the key points before we move on. Bitcoin trades 24/7, but the best swing setups often appear during London-New York overlap. Gold moves most during London and early New York sessions, driven by economic events. Both have volatility cycles. Learn to avoid low volume times. Correlation between Bitcoin and gold can be a useful filter for higher probability trades. Understanding these behaviors is like knowing the tides of the market. It prevents you from rowing against the current. In the next module, we'll set up our trading tools so you can trade both Bitcoin and gold efficiently without wasting time. This is where we'll optimize your charts, indicators, and alerts for our swing strategies. I'll see you there.